So help me God.
Lo msebenzi uqale ngokufungiswa kwephini likaMengameli. Angamashumi ayisikhombisa nesithupha amalungu eKhabhinethi likaMengameli afungisiwe namhlanje. Nakuba leli khabhinethi lihlanganisa amaqembu ombusazwe anemgomo ehlukene, kodwa uMengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthi bazobeka phambili lokho okufunwa abantu.
The policy positions are very clear as set out in the various manifestos, and we are going, as we said in the statement of intent, to put the key priorities of what as South Africans expect.
Yahlukene ke imbono kuzakhamuzi zakuleli ngabanye ongqongqoshe. Ungqongqoshe wezokuvikela uEnji Mthega uthi bazosebenzisana kakhulu noMengameli ukuthatha izinqumo.
The president is the commander-in-chief. So we'll be working with the presidency to say how do we proceed. So it's not my call to say hey niyabuya or niyabaa. It's going to be discussed by cabinet through the president.
Lo mcimbi ubuhambisana namancoko.
And to perform the functions of my office conscientiously, okay, and the best of my ability.
The last time a judge asked me to sit, he made me sit for 10 years.
Ungqongqoshe wezamagugambi wayo nowoyela uGwede Mantashe wenze iphutha ke khasefungiswa wathi uzozidalula zonke izimfihlo zikahulumeni.
To divulge, not to divulge directly or indirectly.
So, Mr. President, if there are any leaks, you will know.
Njengoba selifungisiwe nje ikhabhinethi likahulumeni wesikhombisa, umsebenzi wongqongqoshe uqale khona namhlanje.